Hello everyone, in this video we will teach about Youmile LC, which is a USB relay module. This USB switch, intelligent control switch, and this is the rating of it. This is the switch, as you see here. The input is USB controlled by computer or laptop through USB cable, as this, and here's the output, which is inserted or connected in the power circuit for controlling devices or home or lights in home or sound in home system or sound on school or factory, alarm system in factory. So you can connect this with the computer and run the program on the computer, and here you control the machines and other components. This is very intelligent switch, which is controlled through programming, through a computer program installed in the program or programmed through computer or laptop. And this is a relay, as you see, and here are another pictures show the plan, and here the side view, as you see here. The other plan, as you see, there is ICs. This ICs is important for safety and security, and for not damaging the relay or damaging the computer in same time. And this is another IC, as you see here. This IC after the USB connection to the relay. So it's as simple as a relay connected to a USB port. And here the code. As you see the code here, and I will show you how when operation this LED is fired or light. Okay, this is the code. I will show you simple code for it. The baud rate will USB communication protocol. Here data switch address code, as you see, and here operation data off and on, and data 4 check code, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4, USB switch communication protocol. Okay, now we go to the here is it's a Python code to turn on off USB relay module, USB intelligence control switch. Controlling the USB relay module typically involves sending specific commands to the device. However, the specific commands and the communication protocol may vary depending on the manufacturer, and we have all the information of the manufacturer. Here we import the library subprocess. If this not working and give error, you can install by installer its library before run the Python code, and then here define a function which is turn on USB relay, and replace here with the command, appropriate command you need. And here is the tray, because we are using a relay module. We have tray, and here tray and accept. Okay, for errors we use accept. This is the other function, turn off. Here turn on, but here turn off, and the same function. Put the commands and the tray and accept. And here if some condition you will put here. Turn on the relay for the condition is on, okay. Turn off the relay if the condition is not, and this is the switch in and off, on and off. Okay. So replace your actual command to turn on the sub relay and your actual command to turn off the sub USB relay, sorry, with the actual commands or tools provided by the manufacturer or mentioned. If the USB relay module comes with a specific library or API for Python, it's recommended to use that library for more direct and reliable control. Check the documentation provided by the manufacturer for the details. It's very important. This code very important. And the library is subprocess. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important videos we upload. Thanks.